Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here. In this video, I'm going to be doing my price prediction analysis and forecast on SIA coin that is ranking number 49 currently on based on market cap with a market cap of $137 million. And real quickly, what exactly is SIA coin? It basically is working on the cloud storage on the blockchain in a private and decentralized way. And it has a pretty big community of over 16,000 people on its subreddit, and that is actually a pretty large community considering its ranking at least. Now, you might see right off the bat that SIA coin is actually a sub-penny cryptocurrency. And I gotta be honest, there's a couple interesting things with SIA coin. Quite a bit of volume transacted and stuff, and they have some good things going in their project, but to be honest, I just can't get behind this coin. And a reason for that is already the supply is just massive. This is a bit ridiculous, right? 30 billion is just a monstrous supply. But really, the biggest thing with me is just the chart. I think it's pretty obvious now that this is, it had sort of it always sort of had a rough start, right? Very flat price action. It started back in 2015, basically flat price action all the way through, and then got its massive spike and pretty much came right back down. And I mean, this is just telltale price action of a pump and dump, basically, with the massive spike and then right away just a complete drop. It had a bit of a dead cat bounce right over here, but that didn't hold at all. It just kept on crashing. And there's really even no support level. It found some support over here, but its actual support level would be this 0.00265. So yeah, it still has a ways to go. And I mean, like I said, I find this coin a little bit ridiculous, just the price, these sub-penny things, it's like penny stocks in the stock market. They never really amount to anything. I do kind of find that they're a bit of a joke, and this is going to annoy a lot of people, me saying this, obviously, because people have vested interest in this coin. But the truth is that I can almost guarantee you that most of the people who are holding this cryptocurrency are bag holders, right? They probably bought on the way up and now are deep in the red. And they're dreaming and hoping that it'll bounce back, but there's no end to this downtrend in sight, right? I think this thing is going to fall into an abyss, to be quite honest. It broke out of its uptrend. I mean, its main uptrend, it broke out of it completely, and then its secondary uptrend, that didn't hold at all, right? It was a dead cat bounce, like I said. So it's not looking pretty for this coin. I think it's going to keep on falling in the next couple months and the next couple years. I think this thing is really going to fall off a cliff and maybe even leave the top 100 ranking. Yeah, there's really nothing interesting to see here. And it's surprising because it has a big community and everything, but with price action like this, I mean, this is very telling. And like I said, it will annoy people who are invested in this cryptocurrency, but there's nothing good about this, right? It's a massive downtrend. It's a pump and dump chart. Really, there's nothing to it here. I think it'll end up just where it started pretty much. So yeah, I hate to be bearish on cryptocurrencies because when I am, it just gets quite a bit of hate because, like I said, people have put money into this and want it to succeed. But unfortunately, I think you have to be realistic here. And with all this going on, the massive supply and everything, it just doesn't interest me in any way. I don't see any good coming out of this. So yeah, this is my sort of thoughts on SIA coin. Like I said, I think it's going to drop down to this support level in the next couple months. Break through that pretty easily, and then sort of catch itself maybe on some of these support levels, but basically keep on falling back down to maybe around this area right here, 0.0008. But I mean, come on, this is a sub-penny cryptocurrency. These things never pan out, and that's just the truth of it. With that being said, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll be coming out with more cryptocurrency videos in the future, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.